Hello children, today we have come up with a new chapter. Chapter number 3, A Stitch in Time. A Stitch in Time. So open page number 19 in your textbook. Listen to the video and follow it. So let's begin the lesson. A Stitch in Time. What do you mean by a stitch in time? Children, stitch in time in the sense, so complete the work in time. So whatever the work might be, complete within the time. Do not postpone it. So what are we going to learn in this lesson? Things will last long if kept properly. If you keep the things in a proper place, so you will get it for a long time. Like if you want it, if it is a necessary things, if you keep it in a proper, so whenever you are required at that time, you will get it. If you throw it, then if you require it again, then definitely you will not get it. So when something needs repair, do it immediately. So whenever something which requires any repair work, you have to do it immediately. That is in time. Do it immediately. Again, you do not postpone it. And so let's begin the lesson. Kiran wears a pair of blue shorts when he is at home. It is old, faded and worn out, but he feels comfortable in it. One day, Kiran was putting on his blue shorts. He saw that the button on his shorts was about to come off. It was just hanging on by a thread. It was the only button that held his shorts up. Kiran could do two things. He could wait until the button fell off. When that happens, it would probably roll under the sofa and be lost forever. Or he could sew on the button before it fell off. Do you know what he did? Okay, so Kiran wears a blue shorts. So Kiran used to wear a blue shorts, okay, when he is at home. So when you will be at home, so you will be wearing very comfortable dress, right? Like night dress or whatever, the shorts or pants, night pants. So all these things you will be wearing. Likewise, even the Kiran, so he used to wear blue short when he was at home. So whenever he was at home, he used to wear a blue short. It was old, though it was like old and it was shaded, that it was so dull, and also it was torn out, but still he feels comfortable. So he was very much comfortable with that particular shorts. So one day what happened? Kiran was putting on his shorts. He was wearing on his shorts. So he saw the button on his shorts was about to come off. He saw that the button was coming off. That is, the button is going to fall off. Okay, it was just hanging on by a thread. So it was just hanging with the thread. It was about to fall. And it was the only button that held his shorts up. So if he wants to wear the shorts, only the button was the grip. Suppose if there is no button, then the shorts will fall off. So only the button, okay, which was holding up the shorts. So now he can do two things now, isn't it? So one, he was waiting until the button. He could wait. So he could wait that until the button fell off. If the button fell off, what happens? It may roll under the sofa and it may lost forever. So forever it might get lost. He might lose the button, and again he was in search of that button and he cannot wear the shorts. He was searching for the button. If the button fell off, that might happen. So, or the other chance, what? He could save it, or he could stitch the button before it fell. So before it fell off, so he could stitch the button. So now tell me children, what he might have done now? Whether he postponed the work, that it's okay, live, it has not fallen, right? Let it fall, then tomorrow I'm going to stitch. Did he postpone it? Or did he sat immediately and started to stitch the button? What he might have done, children? Yes. So let's read the further lesson. Kiran soon found his sewing kit. He threaded the needle and tied a knot at the end of the thread. Then he passed the needle through the cloth. He put it through one of the holes in the button. Then he reversed the direction. So suddenly, soon, what did he do? He didn't postpone the work. He didn't sat quietly. He didn't tell that I'm going to stitch tomorrow. No, Kiran suddenly what he do? He took the sewing kit. What do you mean by sewing kit, children? So it might be a small pouch. So it is a small box or a pouch where it contains the items like needle or threads. All these things will be in that particular pouch. So whenever you require any, if you want to stitch or sew any cloth, so at that time you can use that pouch. Okay. So now Kiran took that sewing kit. He threaded the needle. He took the needle and he put the thread to the needle and he tied a knot to the end of the thread. So have you seen stitching in your house? Your mama will be stitching the cloth, torn cloths or something. Have you ever seen, children? The same way he started to stitch. So he took the needle, he threaded it and then he tied a knot to the end of the thread. Then what he do? He passed the needle through the cloth. Then he put through the one of the holes of the button. So button in the sense, children, this is a button. So can you able to see it? Yes. So this is a button and this button has 4 holes. Isn't it, children? It has 4 holes. Look here, children. 4 holes. So what happened? Soon he took soon he took the needle and he threaded the he threaded the needle and he tied a knot and he started to put through one of the holes in the button. So he started to put through one of the holes, like one of the holes from down to upwards and then in the opposite direction. So from one direction to he put into the opposite direction. He put the needle again through a different hole and then through the cloth again. He repeated this through all 4 holes of the button. Then he tied a bunch of knot in the last bit of the thread and cut it off. He put on the shorts and buttoned it. It was strong. Good for some more years, he said to himself with a smile. So again, he put the needle. Can you able to see? Yes. He put the needle again through different hole. After from one to opposite direction, the second hole, again he put to the different hole. So likewise, he repeated for all the 4 holes of the button. And then he tied a knot and in the last bit of the thread and it cut off. So he put the shorts and buttoned it. Okay, so it was strong. Now after stitching, the button was very strong. It was not like earlier because he stitched it. So it was very strong. Then he said with a smile to himself that very good. It will be for some more years. Now this shorts will be, or this button will be for some more years. So what do you understood by this lesson, children? For everything we have a good and bad choice. Following bad choice is easier, but we get the best result by following the good choice. So whatever the work you do, children, so you have two choices, like very good choices and bad choices. If you follow bad choice, it is very easy to follow the bad choice, but following the good choice is quite difficult. But the result whatever you get from the good choice will be last longer. Okay, so always follow the good choice, children, though it is very difficult. So you have to follow the good choice. And what did you learn from this lesson? So do not postpone the things, children. Do not postpone anything. Whatever the work might be, do it on the same day to make your work easier. If you do it on the same day, if the Kiran would have not done on the same day, if you would have postponed by stitching the cloth for the next day, so on that day he couldn't wear the shorts at all, right? The same way, so don't postpone the work for the next day. It will be very, you have to struggle a lot if you postpone. So if you won't postpone, then your work will be very easy. So now today I'm going to give you an activity. So you have to watch. So now you have to ask your mother to show how to sew a button. Okay, so children, be careful. It is very sharp. The needle is very sharp. So ask your mother to show you how to stitch the button. Okay, be careful. So don't do when you are alone. So this is your activity. So now read aloud. Let us read the difficult words. Faded, knot, comfortable, button, thread, needle, repeat, repeated, reversed, direction, bunch. Hope you understood, children, and definitely I feel that you all will follow whatever I say. Okay, so now practice this lesson by reading and also practice the difficult words in your notebook. Take care. Bye.